नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेविन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी and today's topic is lanthanide contraction. So as we move along with the lanthanide series from cerium to ruthenium, the addition of electron takes place to the 4s orbital, one at each step. The mutual shielding effect of the f electron is a very light, being even smaller than the d electron. Due to the scattered and the diffuse shape of the orbital of f orbital, however, in this kind of orbital, the nuclear charge goes on increasing by 1 unit at each step, like in a next element. Thus, the attraction between the nucleus and the outermost shell electron also gone on the increasing gradually by each element or each step. The 4f orbitals are not able to shield effectively, then they attracted to the nucleus inward. They feel the inward pulling. So for the electrons in the outermost shell, as the atomic number of the lanthanide's element increases, okay, thus this results in an increased inward pulling of the outermost electron by the nucleus, finally the causing of the reduction in the atomic or ionic size of these elements. The sum of the successive reduction gives the total lanthanide contraction. Okay. The lanthanide contraction among the 4s series element and their ion takes place due to the poor shielding effect of the 4f electrons and the gradual increase in a nucleus charge. So the lanthanide contraction plays an important role in to determine the chemistry of the lanthanide and heavier transition series elements. There is some important lanthanides, like basic characteristics of lanthanide hydroxide. Because of the size of the tripositive lanthanide ion that decreases regularly with the increasing atomic number. So this process being called as a lanthanide contraction. Therefore, the covalent character between the lanthanides plus 3 ion and the OH ion increases from the lanthanide. Okay. So as a result, the basic character of the hydroxide decreases with the increase of the atomic number. Okay, so from first to last the atomic number is increases, but the hydroxide is decreases. Okay, so the lanthanide contraction is an important factor in allowing the separation of the lanthanide from the one another. You can separate the lanthanide from one another, and the lanthanide contraction plays an important role in it. So the significant effect on the relative properties of the element which precede and succeed the lanthanides, normally in the same group of atoms. Atomic radii increases as the value of the principal quantum number increases due to increase in distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of the electrons, which contributes the increased nuclear charge. So this evidence is for the atomic radii are compared to the element of the first transition and second transition series are smaller. So on the other hand, the atomic radii of the elements of the third transition series should be greater than those of the second transition series element. But for the scandium, vanadium and lanthanum, these term of their atomic radii is not similar. Okay, and the element of the 4D and 5D series in the next group, in group 4 and 5 to 12, it is observed that the values of for ionic radii is almost equal. So the similarity in the values of the ionic radii of the element of the second and third transition series is attributed to the inclusion of 14 lanthanide between the lanthanum 57 to the hafnium 72. Okay, of third transition series, which is due to lanthanide contraction. So this will increase the value of atomic radii. So due to the similarity in the size of the element of the two series, second and third series, the element of the particular group resemble each other more closely in their properties. So the elements of the first transition series are similar to the second transition series. So the example of the pair of the electrons which show the similar properties and hence are difficult to separate are ZrHf and NBTA. These are some more elements which cannot be separated by each other. The atomic radii of the element of the 3 transition series, you can see here the element of the 3D transition series, the atomic radii of the 3D transition series, the element of the 4D series, the atomic radii of the 4D series, and the atomic radii of a 5D series with having the lanthanide in a lanthanum to hafnium. Okay, from this table, it can be concluded that the lanthanide contraction, the atomic radii and the atomic and ionic radii of the second and third transition series element do not differ much because of they have the same characteristic and but they have a higher value from the first transition series element. It is also observed that the atomic radii of these elements falling immediately after the lanthanide series and are closer to those of the 4D series, and the effect is slowly decreases along the 5D elements. Okay, thank you very much.